लो उड़ान, छू लो आसमान, नए भारत की है नई पहचान.
Innovation is the bridge between today's challenges and tomorrow's solution. Pranam everyone. My name is Hital Garg and he is my teammate Vansh Yadav from Tech Tornado. And today we will present you our project Porthole Detection System developed under Viksit Bharat Mission 2025. Our goal is to use AI and IoT to make Indian roads smarter and safer.
Overall, our project uses real-time data to detect the potholes. We have chosen this problem because nearly 40,000 accidents occurring on the roads are due to the potholes, and 1.5 GDP is used in the repairs of the damaged road. Other than this, 30% of the urban roads are covered with the potholes.
Potholes are not just road defects. They are a safety hazard and a financial burden. So our objective is to make a smart solution that automatically detects the pothole, send it to the concerned authorities and assist it to the authorities timely.
Our project uses Raspberry Pi and the Raspberry Pi webcam along with the SIM 800L module for SMS alerts and the GPS locations. It also uses YOLO, you only look once, for the quick data transfer. It uses Raspberry Pi webcam SIM 800L for its function. It works on the algorithm of YOLO, you only look once. It gives real-time detections along with the GPS locations.
And now I'll explain you its working. So first of all, the Raspberry Pi can capture the live footage, then it sends to the Raspberry Pi which will use YOLO and it will detect whether it is having any pothole. Then it will send it to the SIM 800L module which will send an SMS alert to the concerned authority. As you can see in this phone, it has sent that pothole detected and it will measure the size. It's 40.4 centimeter and it has sent the location of the in latitude and longitude and it has also given the time.
It helps in the quicker transports and also it uses real-time data. Other than this, it does not give duplicate alerts, preventing any disturbances. So our project combines the real-time data along with the YOLO for quick data transfer.
So during testing, our project has achieved a high detection accuracy and it has successfully processed the image, detect the potholes and has been over time and has increased its performance over time. And the result confirms that our project is ready for the real world deployment.
Our project has a lot of impact and benefits. For example, safer roads. It will help with the safer road preventing the accidents. Second, faster transport, meaning that if the roads are fixed, we will reach our location safely and with a better time efficiency. It also uses cost efficiency because through quick response and quick fixing of the roads, we can easily transfer from one place to another without any delays.
And for the future, we have decided to make a cloud dashboard for the centralizing monitoring and integrate it with the drone for the area inspection.
So last but not the least, I would like to say that our project combines real-time data, YOLO algorithm for good data transfer. And we also thank Viksit Bharat for organizing such competitions and we also look forward for modifying this project for the future use. Thank you.